Custom Parts provides one-stop processing customization services, such as turning parts processing, milling, post-processing, polishing, drilling, heat treatment, surface treatment, anode treatment, and other processing services. All advantages to provide you with fast proofing, fast delivery, reliable quality, high precision. We can process a variety of styles of parts: stainless steel, aluminum, copper, titanium alloy, plastic, and other different materials, and provide a full range of machining customization services.